Welcome this video title Transforming Your Space with an Indoor Patio Cottage Idea. Introducing when it comes to enhance the aesthetic appear and functionally to your indoor patio cottage can play a provide rule indoor patio cottage not only add a touch of style to your space but also serve practical purpose such as provide shade preview and insulation. We will explore a variety of indoor patio cottage idea to help your transforming your space into a choosy and invite retreat. Outdoor fabric and durability. Indoor patio often face exposure to the elements make it essential to choose cottage craft from during outdoor fabric, sustainable or other weather resistant material and idea choose as then are resistant to field and can withstand effect of sunlight and modest than fabric enhance that your cottage remain valuable and functional of an extent pens. Conclusion. Incorporating the right cottage into your outdoor patio design can elevate the overall aesthetic and functionality of the space, whether you perfect the timeless, elegant, and shaped cottage. The blended of print or the durability of outdoor fabric